Yo, it's your boy Amon back with another video, bro. In today's video, we are going to be doing the EM preset. Yeah, I've been asking for this preset for a little minute, bro. So I finally found one, bro, and I'm gonna be recording a song off of it using the EM type beat. You feel me? And I'm gonna be showing y'all how the preset sounds, bro. So if you want the preset, all you gotta do is take a screenshot that you like this video and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you just send me the proof to my Instagram. amnraymon is at the top right here. Just DM me, bro. Be like, yo, let me get the preset. I got the proof. And then I'm going to immediately send it to you, bro. ASAP. You feel me? And you just follow me on the gram. That's it. Like, subscribe, take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram, and follow me. That's all you got to do. But without further ado, let's get started with the video. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright, bad. Let's get it. Tee me up. The way that I'm driving this Wraith, they got to put me on suicide watch. Can't love. My make better like Marshawn Lynch. He'll run through somebody. You feel me? I'm not white, so I'm not gonna sound exactly like Ian, bro. But y'all get what y'all get it, bro. This is an Ian preset. You feel me? Now I'm about to do my own flow. You feel me? With the Ian preset and the Ian type beat. You feel me? I made this song at work, bro, like a little minute ago, but I haven't recorded it yet, so I'm gonna record it today. Let's go. How does shit go again? Oh yeah. I'm making this. Hold on. I messed up. I'm making this shit look too easy. This shit's like Chris Breezy. This shit's like Chris Breezy. Got a bad bitch and she too freaky. Ex-bitch said she need me. Ex-bitch said she need me. Just with a 2.5 on Gigi. Smoking a job on Twiggin. Off of the shoes right now and I feel like a genie. Magician Houdini. I the fuck at that hole at me. I fuck with hoes that is already. Me and the bros, an idiot. Bitch from the phone and she call me daddy. I was just pulling out my money steady. She dropped her low and she give me Betty. I was just pulling out my money steady. She just pulling out my money steady. Magician Houdini. The fuck at that hole at me. I fuck with hoes that is already. Me and the bros, an idiot. Bitch from the phone and she call me daddy. I was just pulling out my money steady. I was just pulling out my money steady. She dropped the low and she gave me baggy. Low and she gave me baggy. She's a hoe tryna be petty. Ain't nothing to smoke, so I'm getting sweaty. I'm having withdrawals, fuck around and switch your alcohol. I'm having missed calls after missed calls. I ain't trying to talk to all of y'all. I'm having missed calls after missed calls. I ain't trying to talk to all of y'all. Don't hit me up unless I'm in your jaws. After missed calls, I ain't trying to talk to all of y'all. Don't hit me up unless I'm in your jaws. Tryna shit. Missed calls, I ain't trying to talk to all of y'all. I ain't trying to talk to all of y'all. Don't hit me up unless I'm in your jaws. Don't hit me up unless I'm in your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas with. Oh my god. Don't hit me up unless I'm in your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas. Oh my god. I'm ballin' on these niggas, John Wall. Unless I'm in your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas. Oh my god. Up unless I'm in your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas, John Wall. Tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. I'm tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. I'm having cold sweats like Jace. I'm having old time like Jace. I forgot what I said after that part. Alright, let's get it. I'm I'm making this shit look too easy. This shit's like Chris Breezy. Got a bad bitch and she too freaky. Ex-bitch said she need me. Just for the 2.5 on Geeky. Smoking a job on tweaking. All for the shoes right now and I feel like a genie. Must just shampoo Diddy. The fuck in that hole in me. I bought with hoes that is already. Me and the bros and idiot. Bitch from the phone and she call me daddy. I was just pulling out my money steady. She dropped the low and she gave me baggy. She's a hoe tryna be petty. Ain't nothing to smoke so I'm getting sweaty. I'm having withdrawals. Fuck around and switch your alcohol. I'm having missed calls after missed calls. I ain't tryna talk to all of y'all. Dog me up and listen to your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas John Wall. Tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. I'm tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. I'm cold sweats like Jace. Like this. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. Love the way that hoe takes my face. I don't really know what they like it. Got the missed calls, I ain't tryna talk to all of y'all. Dog me up and listen to your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas John Wall. Tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. I'm tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. Love the way that hoe takes my game. They all that like. Fuck it. Alright, let's go ahead and put the voice cleaner on that bit. Let me know if y'all fucking with it. So I'm like, put the voice cleaner on there real quick. I might cut it up just like a little bit. Oh shit. There you go. Alright. Hey, if y'all haven't tapped into all my other presets, bro, you can get all the other presets for free too, bro. All you gotta do is just follow those same steps, bro, and you can get all of those presets. You feel me? I'm really a preset guy, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. I don't make none of those presets, bro. I get it from either YouTube, TikTok, bro. But I make sure I look up the best preset for y'all. So like, if I look up an EM preset, bro, like I'm looking through all of them that sounds the best and sounds the most like EM, bro. And I'd be like, all right, I'm gonna use this one. You feel me? Now this voice cleaner be coming in clutch though. We're gonna hear how it sounds though after I put this voice cleaner on that bit. Make sure it sounds so smooth. Bro. Cause I'm having those words like doors. Alright. Got the voice cleaner on there. And you can hear the birds in the background. That's how you know I'm really in the suburbs. Alright, let's get it. Let me know what y'all think about this song. I'm making this shit look too easy. This shit's like Chris Breezy. Got a bad bitch and she too freaky. Ex-bitch said she need me. Just for the 2.5 on Geeky. Smoking a job on tweaking. All for the shoes right now and I feel like a genie. Must just shampoo Diddy. The fuck in that hole in me. I bought with hoes that is already. Me and the bros and idiot. Bitch from the phone and she call me daddy. I was just pulling out my money steady. She dropped the low and she gave me baggy. She's a hoe tryna be petty. Ain't nothing to smoke so I'm getting sweaty. I'm having withdrawals. Fuck around and switch your alcohol. I'm having missed calls after missed calls. I ain't tryna talk to all of y'all. Dog me up and listen to your jaws. I'm ballin' on these niggas John Wall. Tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. I'm tryna change up on niggas like I'm law. Cause I'm having cold sweats like Jace. Yeah. Let me know if I should finish this in the comments, bro. Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe, bro. I love you guys so much, bro. Thank y'all for your support. And we out. Peace.